Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Draw with Lily here, and in this video I'm painting a starry night at the lake using acrylic paint. And this is my first ever voiceover where I'm talking in the video, so hopefully it all goes well. And here I'm showing you the finished painting. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see when I upload new videos, and if you'd like to paint along with me, these are the materials I'll be using. So you'll need black and white acrylic paint, a flat 1-inch brush, and some smaller brushes for details. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. I'm using an 11 by 14 inch canvas, and I mixed black with a little bit of white paint to create a dark gray color, and I'm blending it using horizontal brush strokes. I'm adding more white to create a lighter gray, and again adding more white. I want to create a gradient from dark to light. I'm also dipping my brush in water to help blend the colors, and it also helps keep the paint from drying too fast. So art is my hobby. I just do it for fun, and I'm just starting to practice using acrylic paint, so I'm still new to acrylics. And here I'm adding the dark gray color to the bottom of the canvas. And again, adding more white to blend it. I'm adding in the horizon line using black paint. And don't mind that cloud in the corner. I didn't like how it looked, so I cover it up with the moon later. And using a small detail brush, I'm just dabbing in the black paint to create the trees in the distance. I'm applying less paint to the tops of the trees to make it look more natural and blend it out. Going back to the large flat brush, I'm taking some black paint and dragging it down from the horizon line to create a reflection on the lake, so it looks like the trees are reflecting on the water. I'm now adding some white to the horizon line where the land would be. I added some white on top of the shadows and blended some more black on top again. I'm adding some more black paint to the edge and redefining the shadows. And I'm adding some white lines to the water. Now I used a circular object to draw a circle for the moon. Using a small detail brush, I'm filling in the moon with white and just dabbing the paint to make the moon look like it has texture. And I'm adding some black around the moon. Now I'm painting in small white dots for the stars. I'm also adding some white dots to the lake to make it look like it's a reflection of the sky. And I'm also going to add some white where the moon is reflecting light on the water. I'm going back and redefining the horizon line with black paint. And here's the finished painting. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel to see when I post new videos. And please comment down below what videos you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.